Hi everyone, I'm Barbara Close and I'd like to welcome you to Pointed Pen Possibilities, a series of courses for copperplate calligraphy and my contemporary variations. In this first class, I'll be covering formal copperplate. We'll organize the lowercase letters into groups. I'll demo them one by one, followed by examples of how the letters connect. Then we'll move on to the formal capital letters, which will also be organized into groups. Practicing copperplate by grouping letters that have related shapes is a great way to learn the entire alphabet quickly.